Welcome back, it's Becky. Today's video is the final installment in my storage cabinet series, where we'll be installing the cat tower and applying final finish and handles to the cabinet doors. We left off last time having completed the structural shelves and installed most of the doors. Back in part 1, I cut a hole in one of the shelves for cat access. At first, we had some move-in boxes stacked there for him to climb, and he really seemed to like it and hung out there all the time. So we conceived of a more permanent ramp system to get him up and down. It consists of 3 ramps, which we cut from scraps of plywood into trapezoids, where the angled end cuts will meet up with the walls of the cabinet interior. Then we covered the ramps with pieces of old carpet to make it easier to grip and screw them in place. I traced and cut an opening in the cabinet door for Chaz to walk through using a jigsaw. Smokey also outfitted Chaz's cat tower with an overhead light fixture and some Christmas lights to illuminate the ramps. Our final set of hinges took a while to come in on back order. Then it was all about finding the right weekend to paint all the cabinet doors. We used 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of low VOC interior paint on the top and bottom doors, and we finished the middle row of doors with polycrylic. We originally did this because we liked the way it looked, but after using it for a while, I can tell you that the center row of cabinet doors are used more regularly, and our flat white paint has a habit of picking up dirt and showing it off more than the clear finish, so it's a win-win. The final step was to attach the door handles. We picked out these brushed nickel rectangular ones. I measured and placed them in position, then traced around and found the centers by drawing an X. I drilled a small pilot hole before switching to a larger bit that matched the size of the screws that came with the handles. Thanks for following along with this project series. It was so much fun to build, and it's so functional for us in our new home. I put links to the previous installments in the description below, as well as the link to the Instructable for this project. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to catch my future projects about technology, crafts, and my life here in New York City. See you next time.